Welcome to Books and Cooks. This is Shweta coming to you from the Prairie Public Library and from my home as we continue to provide services remotely and in person. I'm actually home with my daughter Monica. So today's cookbook is actually one that I downloaded on Hoopla, which is why I have my phone with me. I downloaded this book, the Frugal Foodie Cookbook by Laura Starr and Lynette Shirk. They actually published this book in 2009. That was during the Great Recession. And of course there are many parallels for people living through COVID-19 right now and the Great Recession. The biggest similarity is of course the financial uncertainty and loss of employment for many people. What I really love about this book is the collaboration, for one thing. Lynette Shirk is a classically trained chef and has worked at such establishments like Chez Panisse. And Laura Starr is more of a cookbook author and entertainment writer. So they have different perspectives on cooking and food writing. What they emphasize is that being frugal doesn't necessarily mean being cheap and finding all the cheapest ingredients. So they actually suggest, to be smart and resourceful in shopping. So maybe you splurge on one ingredient, like you go out and you get like the top shelf balsamic vinegar, but then you pair it with more humble ingredients. But today I actually made a no-knead bread. I'm not much of a bread maker, so it's always a little intimidating. The recipe in the Frugal Foodie is actually a take on Mark Bittman's no-knead bread. So this is How to Bake Everything by Mark Bittman. It's a physical book that we actually have at our library. So today I thought I would just do some open-face tuna fish sandwiches. So
for people who don't know about Cookbook, do you want to kind of explain a little bit more on what
Sure,
Cookbook
yeah. Hoopla, like Overdrive or Libby, is a digital book service. So Hoopla, you can read books, you can listen to books digitally. The difference with Hoopla and Overdrive is that it also has movies and it has music and comics. And the biggest difference is that it allows for simultaneous checkout, so you never have to be on hold for it. So that's a really nice advantage to Hoopla. Slice the bread, and I think I'm gonna make them open them up this way. There's nice air pockets and holes in the bread.
That means that the yeast has a lot of gluten in it, right?
I don't know what it means, but I feel like it means it means something good. Lunch is served. Bread, fresh made bread this morning with a tuna salad on it. So let me know what you guys think.
That's great.
Yeah, I was telling Monica that if I didn't make the bread fresh today, you could toast it or maybe put it under the broiler for like a tuna melt instead. But I wanted to keep the freshness of the bread today, so I think it'd be really nice for breakfast with some butter and jam.
That's just
Yeah. Well, cheers, enjoy.